Guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your classroom app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps. So then you come to apps here, and here you're looking for classroom. Just click on search. Then here add classroom, just click on it. So then you come to next here, and there you're looking for, you click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store here. So then here you search for Google Classroom, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.